The only food I've eaten today are some cactus berries I found. I am hungry, man!
That ain't how you treat a lady, or anybody for that matter. Yeehaw!
There's so many kinds around these parts that
Yeehaw!
It's already that late?
Oh boy! We got ourselves a real curly wolf here!
Sure is dusty out. This town ain't big enough for the two of us. Wait, hold up. Yes, it is. I might even invite some friends over.
Dr. Strange has on his sanctum. Where can I get one of
Who ever heard of a two-gun kid?
Sorry to bother you, but yep, you guessed it. Some crime near you needs fighting.
big skull in the sky. Huh. Didn't a wise old fella say that that was an ill omen? That was ducks making eye contact.
Who ever heard of a two-gun kid with only one gun?
Blames all the people I've seen wandering around. Hey, Speedy, just passing through? Why don't you stay a while?
They're getting some fancy.
The band.
Nice to see y'all. Thanks again for helping out with the band.
Ugh, if I have to listen to one more of those dang announcements, ooh, I'm gonna do something.
Whew! It's drier than a Dramoth hideout here. So I know.
Hey, Speedy, just passing through? Why don't you stay a while? Hello there.
Who ever heard of a two-gun kid with only one gun?
Big skull in the sky. Huh. Didn't a wise old fella say that that was an ill omen?
Those rotten, two-timing, yellow-bellied, good-for-nothing hoodlums took off with my gun. How's a fella supposed to go by the name of Two-Gun Kid when he's only toting one gun? And don't even think about suggesting a name change, partner. I just got my business cards done. Now, The only option here is to track down those varmints and get back my gun. Y'all gonna help, right? Oh, yeah. I knew you was ready for some action. Let's skedaddle, partner. Pretty sure I saw them varmints come this way. That's them crooked pistol pitchers! Get 'em! Huh. Looks like none of them had my gun. Reckon there's more of them up ahead. Reach for the skies. Oh, dang it, that'd have been so much better if I had both my guns. Any of them drop my gun? No? Darn it. Well, nothing for it but to keep on keeping on.
Oh, the circus wasn't here. That explains all the I've seen wandering around.
These uns are uglier than the last ones. One of these bozos definitely has my gun. do it. There's my gun. Quick, grab it before some other hoodlum takes it. Woo-hoo! Y'all got my gun back, meaning the two-gun kid is officially back in business. Wonder if the fella I borrowed this name from ever had this kind of trouble. Oh, heck. I could have just given my business cards to that guy. Well, no point crying over spilt cactus milk. Thanks for your help, partner. You ever have need for my two guns, just holler.
Ducks making eye contact.
Come on.
Heard they had a chicken outbreak in the saloon the other day. Gave the sheriff a real good pecking, I hear.
Thinking of joining the agricultural trumpet club.
Help us! The beast has become agitated. We must calm him so we can return him to his herd.
Whoa there! Okay.
It's all right. We're here to
He's
help.
calm. Thank you, kind stranger. He enjoyed that. Here, as thanks.
Wonder if that bug fella ever managed to tame this Maybe I'll swing by the golf course later. Even if it does have that effective statue of our great ruler.
That ain't how you treat a lady, or anybody for that matter.
You've got bad guys causing trouble nearby. Ugh, they make me so mad.
Invaded anywhere nice?
Flying chair went zooming past me earlier. I knew you'd be back. I could see the fierce love of mini-golf blazing behind your eyes.
Real good leak down in that river.
Those makeover shows on human television aren't anything special. They don't even properly evolve. Call me when one of them turns into a rule for a day.
According to the latest research, creaky creepers craving cream have different...
It's not easy making the Supreme Intelligence eat his whites. But you know what they say, Supreme? A golf ball a day keeps the doctor away. And the ball elegantly sneaks past the patrolling ships. If this was a real Kree ship battle, the pilots would be exiled for this grotesque failure. But it's not, so everything's really, really good. Kaboom! An entire planet, albeit a very tiny pretend one. That's all of them. Well done! Come on over and collect your prize. Be sure to come back and show us that incredible hammer control sometime.
Good day, soldier. Want to give our anti-aircraft turret training program a spin? If you impress me enough, there might even be a reward in it for you. Perfect day for a nice bit of evolution. This is great, and I'm not even doing anything. Excellent work, soldier. I haven't seen shooting that good since, well, me. Here, take this medal as a token of your skill. Hope to see you again, soldier.
This world is actually... If you feel like a change of weather, just head to the next town over.
This is great, and I'm not even doing anything. Yeah, shoot him!
The chair went zooming past me earlier. They nearly knocked me over.
Think your memory's as sharp as mine?
According to the latest Cree search, creaky, creased, creepers have decreased incredibly. Those Kang announcements are getting on my nerves. Can't someone wage war on them already?
When you have a photographic memory, you tend to forget that other people don't. So, I've set up this little scientific experiment to test exactly what an individual with a traditional memory span is capable of. But it ain't just for fun. I figure if I study that individual's remembering process, I'll probably be able to further improve my own memory. You know, beyond photographic. Okay, fine. It's just for fun. So, you gonna take the test or what? You'll be paid. Great stuff. Okay. Observe my happy and willing volunteers here. And remember as much as you can about them.
So, when do we get a lunch break?
This master's degree in dramatic arts really doesn't seem to be helping my career.
Now, time for a little test to see what you remember. How good's your memory? Maybe try that one again.
I hope we don't get any more of those floating statues dropping out of the sky. Those things are a serious health and safety risk.
Ready to test your memory? Not quite.
I usually just let him tire himself out.
I hope you've been excellent. Let's up the ante.
Did I leave the iron on?
Well, this is still better than the Red Skull Tuesday festivity.
How many more times do we gotta do this?
Hope you were paying attention. How good's your memory? Very good.
Volunteers!
Did he just call us volunteers? Shh! You'll make him mad again.
Expect the most challenging question yet. How good's your memory?
A bunch of maniacs in a flying chair went zooming past me. They nearly knocked me over.
Wrong.
It's all he ever talks
Do you remember this? Impressive. Nice work. Looks like you have quite a talent for remembering seemingly insignificant details. Much like my ex-wife. Wait, am I still married? I should probably put more effort into remembering my marital status instead of learning all those funky new languages. Though my Welsh is coming along pretty good, if I do say so myself. Anyway, why were we doing this again? I was focusing so much on what you were remembering that I've completely forgotten. Either way, I've got this overwhelming urge to reward you. So I guess you must have done what I asked. So, thanks?
something happen at the palace?
What a
Hey, buddy, help a fella out. So I had a, shall we say, eventful night last night. One that involved my bike getting the teensiest, tiniest bit destroyed by an angry gang. I've been looking to pick up a new one, but everyone I ask about it just screams and runs away. Think maybe it's the flaming head? Hey, your head ain't on fire. Or at the very least, not as on fire. You think maybe you could grill some of these locals about where to find a good bike? Thanks! Somebody around here's gotta know where I can find a bike which suits my awesome style. You know, skulls and flames and, you know, that stuff. I feel so lost without a bike. A ghost rider without his bike is just a ghost.
Asgard shall not yield.
Looks like some...
On my recent travels, I happened upon a merchant selling majestic two-wheeled carriages, black as night, which leave flames in their wake. I wish to return there, but its location eludes my memory. How vexing. Peculiar man with a head of flame is said to have been seen roaming these parts.
If you see him, be wary. He could well be in league with that fiend, Ragnarok.
I was told Asgard was a lovely place to visit, but it's rather worse for wear. I'll be having a word with my travel agent when I get back to Manhattan.
You have returned to man the cannon? Please, by all means.
Spotted a crime taking place in your area if you aren't too busy.
The city of many colors across the dusty arena is a most beguiling place. Indeed, my travel companion was quite enchanted by what the merchant near the tall spire had on display. Perhaps I should return to purchase one of those strange contraptions for him.
How fares your aim? Perhaps you might mount the cannon and grant us a demonstration. I was most humbled when they offered the position of cannon guard. I have adored cannons since I was a boy. I cannot get enough of them.
Got any hot bike tips for me? Somebody must know something. Found out anything useful yet? Hey, if that was my vacation, I'd be mad too. But that ain't got nothing to do with bikes, so... You hear anything else? Sounds like something in Nueva York. Could be useful if we knew for definite what the place was selling. You hear anything else? That sounds promising. Just need to know where that merchant is. All right, think we got ourselves a lead. An awesome bike shop in Nueva York. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's head on over there.
Ragnarok hath given me the excuse to travel.
Gotta cut through here to get to Nueva York. Just hope we don't run into any trouble. Trying to get between me and my new bike, huh? Big mistake. those guys taken care of. On we go.
Goons, bad guys, villains, crooks, enemies.
All this walking really ain't my style. Ugh, think I got sand in my shoe. You guys couldn't wait until after I picked up my bike to jump us? Losers. All right, this is Nueva York. Now, where was that bike shop again? Man, I hate walking. I forgot how much I hate walking. I just want to ride!
Hi.
This part of New York was just listed straight out to be part of Chronopolis. Does that mean there's just a big hole where it used to be? Maybe I should take a vacation.
Is this the place? Ah!
Oh, shock! Oh, shock! Oh, shock!
And is that?
Huh? What are the weather settings today?
Huh. Well, this ain't quite what I was expecting. And I somehow doubt this thing is packing much in the way of horsepower, but I do like the color, so I guess it'll do for now. If nothing else, it beats walking, right? Anyway, thanks for helping me out. You're ever in a jam? Give me a call, though I may not be able to get there too fast on this thing.
Here's my personal holographic assistant when I need him.
Every day's great at Alchemax.
I don't mean to brag or anything, but Mr. Stone said hello to me that time when I passed him on the street. Or at least I think it was Mr. Stone. It was a really busy street.
But I never got to finish.
That carnivorous plant near the Novacore building seems a little
Pretty impressive. The way they dress and those accents? Ah, so cool. I'll play some Hexagon Blitz in my break. Just a little bit, though. If I spend another Hexagon.
Hello! Citizen Carol over here! The world has not been destroyed yet.
Must remember my cake.
Hello! Citizen in peril over here!
That Marion guy in the...
Mustache, late for a meeting. Thanks.
That'll teach him to mess with us.
All right! Kang's defenses are down. The Guardians are finally gonna teach that no-good buckethead a lesson.
This is quite the conundrum.
Please, no epic battles today.
I want to move to Manhattan, but there are so many now. How do I know which one is right for me? I don't think I'd like anywhere too advanced, or too cold, or too colorful. Any ideas? I know it's wrong, but I find that Ronin so dreamy. If only he'd stop his relentless attack on my planet, maybe we could be together. Hey there.
I'd say Xandar's
Sisters. Can't live with them. End of statement. My sister and I have a, shall we say, strained relationship. It's actually quite tiring hating Gamora so much, to the point where a part of me wishes the bad blood between us could just disappear. But let's face it, that's not going to happen. What I need is a sister I don't constantly have to fight. Preferably one that shares my distinct sense of fashion. And one without all that emotional baggage. I need this sister to be more like me. Totally in control of her emotions! Do you understand what I'm saying? I need you to find me this perfect sister. Build her with your own hands if you must. Can I trust you to do that? Apparently, the Avengers have a facility for assembling life forms to an exact specification. I would probably start there if I were you.
Oh, wow. You're that hero? The one that saved those people.
Nova Corps is always happy to help a noble cause, even if we are stretched a little thin right now. Providing the refreshments for Quill's soiree was the least Xandar could do, after everything the Guardians of the Galaxy have done for us in our recent troubles with Kang. Although I didn't expect the responsibility to fall directly on my shoulders when we agreed to provide them. As you can imagine, the Nova Corps have a lot of fires to put out right now, both figurative and non-figurative. And as much as I would like to help out in the party planning process, I do still have at least a chunk of an empire to run. Now, could you lend your time to the cause? Wonderful. Remember, Quill is a Terran, so you might want to try and find some of that junk food young people seem to be so fond of.
I really adore
Enjoy sitting next to the center.
Listen my break. Just a little bit, though. If I spend another 2-hour lunch lost in Texas, then the boss is gonna blitz me.
Huh?
I'd say Xandar's actually looking pretty good. Considering the place was shot to bits, stomped all over by a celestial, then ripped up and dropped into some kind of crazy limbo world.